Hello kids, today we are going to practice cutting with scissors. Take a rough paper and draw straight lines on it. With the difference of ruler, draw as many straight lines you can, doesn't matter the distance. And even doesn't matter if they are not straight with each other. Next, draw a circle in one corner. Now use your scissors. I have a little big one. I'm going to use that. You can use this one as well. That depends upon which scissors you have. And try to cut straight with the lines. Remember, stay safe. Your fingers should not be crossing the line. They should be on one side. And start cutting it. Keep the scissors straight on the line so they stay straight, and try to cut it along the line. I am just going to cut a rough like this so you will know. You see, this I have cut here, but this is not straight along the line. What I need to cut it straight with the line. It should stay on the line. So this is how you are going to practice. Okay, so cut along the lines. And after this one, now try to cut along this circle. Stay on the line. Your scissors must follow the line. Okay, you can see it's just going on the line. It is not moving anywhere else. So today that's what I want you to practice. I want you to practice. Take rough papers that are already used and you want to waste them, and cut them along the lines and on the circles. So this is your training today. Cut along the lines. Okay, take care. Bye bye.